Hello everyone, welcome back to SyncBricks, your go-to channel for the insightful tech reviews and updates. I'm Amjad Ali, and today I have something exceptional to discuss. I'm going to dive deep into Formsflow.ai. This marks my second video on this platform, following up on the initial review I did earlier. You can find the link of the first video in the description, and the card is displayed above. Since my previous video, a lot has changed. Formsflow.ai is continuously revolutionizing its platform, and I'm thrilled to share how Formsflow.ai can accelerate your digital transformation journey in today's world. Formsflow.ai is a low-code platform that empowers businesses to create custom online forms and workflows. It allows users to design and modify forms as well as assign various steps like review, approve, submit, and so on. What sets Formsflow.ai apart is integration of leading open source forms, workflows, analytics, and security products with customizable integration. This makes it suitable for a wide range of organizations. It's a comprehensive tool with features for users of all levels. Now let's delve into the key features of Formsflow.ai that I'll be discussing in this video. Create online forms effortlessly with its advanced capabilities like data validation, conditional fields, files, upload, signature, all using user-friendly drag and drop Form Builder Designer. This makes it a powerful tool. This user-friendly tool is perfect for those who prefer a straightforward approach to workflow designs without the complexity of BPMN. But if you are a BPMN expert, it's good for you as well. It integrates the access control and identity access management with support of single sign-on solutions like Keycloak, Workflow, OpenID Connect, SAML, and Auth2, etc. Visualize relevant business data with customizable data dashboards and derive insights from the submitted forms data. It seamlessly integrates with latest RPA tools such as Robotic. Formsflow.ai employs industry-leading security framework to ensure the protection of your organization's data in transit and at rest. OpenAI integration acts as your programming partner, accelerating development. It even offers sentiment analysis and natural language recognition for insightful form data. Multi-Tenancy provides the distinct URL for different business units, encompassing space for the form design, workflow, and analytics. This feature offers unified interface to consolidate various forms, streamline the submission process. Access Formsflow.ai through a fully featured mobile application built for Android and iOS. Whether you prefer self-hosting or public cloud provider or on-prem hosting, Formsflow.ai gives you freedom to choose. Formsflow.ai offers various product packages, including Community, Premium Standard, and Premium Enterprise. Additionally, it also provides the consultancy services. Formsflow.ai can be tailored to various departments. It's also versatile across industries such as education, government, healthcare, manufacturing, and all type of companies. Formsflow.ai has several advantages compared to competitors in the low-code form building space. It's capable of handling advanced workflows. It offers more extensive functionality than a survey tool. I have compared Formsflow.ai with low-code form building platforms. Some standout features include the authorization. So authorization with Keycloak offers more dynamic and fine-grained authorization compared to competitors. Its microservices architecture ensures scalability, fault tolerance, and easy maintenance. Formsflow.ai provides excellent customization options, including the advanced validation and logic. Let me talk about pricing now. Formsflow.ai offers Premium Lite and Premium Standard. with customization options available. You can explore the open source community edition on GitHub. Formsflow.ai also offers 14 days trial. Advanced features like custom codes, advanced analytics, and AI-assisted development are not included in the trial version. Formsflow.ai has exciting updates in the pipeline: low-code workflow designer, generative AI, file store management, and more. These features promise streamlined user experience. Formsflow.ai's quick start package includes introduction to platform, prototype development, installation, and architecture definition. It also offers consulting services, training, and support. Formsflow.ai by AOT Technologies is a versatile low-code platform that caters to a wide range of users, from businesses, technologists, to developers. Let me show you some of the notable features. So here is website Formsflow.ai, and you can see here it's a low-code platform to build forms automations swiftly. And if I show you the key features, you can see here it's a low-code form builder, Power Workflow engine is there, Workflow Designer is there, Identity Management is there, Analytics Dashboard, Robotics Process Automation, Word-class Security, AI-assisted development, mobile application, multi-tenancy, and form building. All of this is available, and I'm very much happy with the robotics process automation, because there might be various activities that you want the RPA to take care of. RPA can do the validations and verifications. So what is robotics process automation? I have given you complete guide in the description where you can understand that how RPA can work. It works on the clouds. So it has done the validation of the business application. Product packages, as I mentioned, there is Community Edition, Premium Standard Edition, and Premium Enterprise Edition. Community Edition is of course for free, so you can download. But if you want to get full support and training and even deployment support or development support, you can go with the Premium Standard or Premium Enterprise. I will highly recommend you to go for the Premium Enterprise, because it will give you peace of mind, as most of the load will be taken by the Formsflow.ai team or AOT Technologies. So pricing is straightforward. So there are 3 packages available. Community is of course for free. You will have all the basic functionalities: drag and drop form builder, DMN workflows, advanced analytics is there, cloud hosting is optional. In free version, you will not have multi-tenancy, mobile application, and AI assisted development, and intuitive workflow filter will not be there. Of course, if you go for the premium standard, so it will have all the available features which are available in free version. Unlimited users, which is one of the features that I must say is unique when we talk about the other commercial tools which are available in the market, because they charge you per user. But multi-tenancy is up to 5 tenants, which is more than enough. Then form bundling, mobile application, AI assisted development, and product support and self-hosted. These all options are available in premium standard. So if you talk about premium enterprise, depending upon how many tenants you want to have, and you can talk to the AOT Technologies, they will understand your project and they will help you to deploy that project. And there is no restriction on number of workflows also. So some of the platforms are focusing on the number of users. Some of the platforms are giving you license per workflow or per process. But here it doesn't work in that way. So you can have unlimited users, unlimited workflows, unlimited forms, and all of that. So quick start, and various resources are available. So in case you want to learn more about it, so all the resources, tutorials, and documentation is available. Support is available. Community and resource notes are available. Case studies and blogs are available. Events and news are available. So there are various events. You can attend their online webinars. So Formsflow.ai has revolutionized the way we build the low-code applications. So Formsflow.ai is not just a survey form. It's a full-fledged solution for your business needs. So I will highly recommend, if you want to accelerate your digital transformation journey, go for Formsflow.ai. This was in-depth look of Formsflow.ai. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and click subscribe. And for more tech insights, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you in next video.